So for one-click tele integration, you will be needing a TDL file, which will be provided by supply node. So you can see there is the TDL file. You can just click on this and go to properties and then go to security and then copy this path. After copying this path, you can go to your tele and here you can see configure. You can click on this button or press F12. And you can go to products and features by clicking on this products and feature button, or you can click on T. Then you will be presented by this screen. Here you have to click on manage local TDL or press F4. Then here you have to type yes so that all the TDL files can be loaded at the time of startup. Then in the next field, you have to copy the path which we copied from the file, this path. And then save this. So now the TDL go to advanced configuration by clicking on this or pressing C. Then here you have to tell ERP9 is acting as, you have to click on both. And then port number should be 9000 as here. Just save this. So tele will restart. And now we can set up the integration details by pressing Alt plus F3. You can go to alter or click on E. Here you can see I can select my company, and when I come to alter screen, you can see there is a new section called supply node integration. In this supply node integration section, you have to provide client ID and client secret, which will be again provided by the supplier. So here I have my client ID and client secret, so I will just copy it and paste it here. Just paste it here. So when the configuration is complete, we can click on this supply node integration or press U. Then there will be two options, import data and quit. Then you have to click on import data and select what data you want to import, like the voucher type and the date. So here I'm going to import data between 1st April to 1st May. So now we just need to click on yes or click enter, and the data will be imported. So before importing the data, let me show you what type of data will be imported. So here you can see I have set up the filters like from 1st May, 1st April to 1st May, and the status is invoices. So these all five invoices will be imported as purchase vouchers in Tele. So now when I click on yes, you can see there will be a couple of black screens prompting, which is the command prompt, and now the data is imported successfully. To check whether there are any errors or not, or if the data is imported successfully, you can go to tele.imp file. In case of any errors will be shown here in the calculator screen. You can go to tele.imp file. It's in the folder where the tele is installed. So if you click on this file, you can go to this very bottom of this file, and now you can see today's 13th May and the time is 3:32. So it's just imported. We just imported the data and created 5 new vouchers. We can go to display and then to daybook. Here you can see all the vouchers are imported here. And if you click on all that one, you can see the detailed summary of these vouchers.